and a very warm welcome. I am Ruchi Sharma. Virtual digital assets or VD market surged in the past 24 hours on the back of a spike in spot purchases and purchases of BTC exchange-traded funds. Interestingly, this helped push the price of Bitcoin towards the $70,000 crucial mark. IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading up 8.6% at 90,000 points. Meanwhile, in the latest weekly review of funds flows by CoinShares digital asset investment products experienced a significant increase in inflows totaling $932 million. This represents a 716% rise from the previous week's $130 million. The absence of significant interest in short positions on BTC suggests a positive investor outlook. To date, Bitcoin investment products have accumulated $13.85 billion in inflows since the beginning of the year. Furthermore, the US has solidified its position as the global hub for cryptocurrencies. Relatively new to the scene, the US ETF market topped the pack with inflows of over $1 billion. This optimistic outlook seems to be related to the latest US Consumer Price Index data, which raised expectations of a less aggressive rate hike by the Federal Reserve. Lower interest rates have historically been associated with riskier investments such as Bitcoin. Going forward, the Biden administration's recent announcement regarding 30% tax on electricity used for digital asset mining operations is raising concerns within crypto miners. Moreover, the Middle East is becoming an increasingly viable option because there are often fewer taxes, abundant energy, and less onerous environmental regulations there. Meanwhile, Ether surged over 20% in the past 24 hours following credible rumors that the asset could receive its own spot ETF in the United States within days. This followed a tweet from Bloomberg ETF analyst Eric Balchunas that he and his partner James Seyffert were upping their odds of ETH ETF approval this month from 25% to 75%. The global cryptocurrency market cap was at $2.6 trillion mark, increasing 7.6% in the last 24 hours. The total trading volume increased by 125% to $140 billion. Well, in terms of market capitalization, Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency, has recently surpassed MasterCard, the industry leader in payments. Ethereum now possesses a total market cap of $440 billion. Interestingly, the price of a single Bitcoin in Japan surpassed 11 million yen for the first time in history, and the value of the peso in the Philippines and Argentina also reached its highest point. Similar to this, on May 21st, the value of one Bitcoin in the Philippines momentarily surpassed mid-March highs, reaching a record 4.18 million pesos. Moreover, in a fresh and vibrant upgrade, SHIB announced the Veli Friends NFT collection, a series of innovative NFTs to support a popular Italian restaurant and catering business. According to Satoshi Kusama, the upgrade would be a unique and engaging way to interact with NFTs, partnering with one of Italy's most exciting food brands. US stock futures traded flat after the technology-heavy Nasdaq Composite closed at an all-time high. Futures connected to the Nasdaq 100 dropped 0.1%. Dow Jones Industrial Average Futures and S&P 500 futures also traded near the flat line. Bitcoin was trading at $71,000, up 6%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was up by 18%, trading at $3,680. BNB was up by 8% to trade at $620. Solana SOL was up 3% and was trading at $182. Cardano's ADA token was up by 7.5% to trade at $0.5. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $40.5, higher 12%. Polygon Matic was trading up by 8% to trade at $0.74. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading up by 8.3% at $0.16. Shiba Inu was trading up by 6.5%. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.54, up by 6%. Polkadot was up by 8% to trade at $7.5. That's all in Coin Monitor for now. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. Do like, share and subscribe to 3.TV, and for more information stories, log on to our website www.3vostv.io or scan the QR code.
With 3.TV, stay connected with the world of blockchain. Stay up to date with infinite world of NFTs. Come explore and evolve with 3.TV in the Metaverse.
So many coins, so much volatility. 3.0 TV delivers the news that matters.
Field Capital has announced a $30 million buyback program for Gnosis DAO, aiming to realign the token's market value with its intrinsic book value. The crypto fund holds significant amount of GNO and plans to deploy $30 million from its treasury over 6 months to boost the token's value. Gnosis holds $630 million in non-GNO liquid asset and $100 million in venture capital investments. The proposal has received preliminary support from the Gnosis community, with 12 out of 14 governance forum voters in favor. Gnosis co-founder Martin endorsed the proposal, emphasizing the need to link the buyback to a growth program. If approved, the buyback program will follow a two-pronged strategy: the time-weighted average price strategy, which will allocate $15 million to purchase GNO tokens over 6 months, and the discretionary approach, which will allocate another $15 million to optimize purchases based on market conditions. Karpatki, an on-chain asset management project, will manage the buyback. New York Attorney General Letitia James has secured a $2 billion settlement with backdrop crypto firm Genesis Global, stemming from a lawsuit she filed against Genesis Digital Currency Group and Gemini in October last year. The settlement aims to maximize recoveries from investors who were scammed through fraud and manipulation. The Victims Fund will receive distributions from assets remaining in Genesis estate after bankruptcy distribution to creditors, with up to $2 billion from Genesis remaining assets if creditors are not made whole based on today's digital asset values. The Victims Fund will then make distributions to compensate Genesis creditors for their full and fair amount of losses until the Victims Fund is depleted. Boom, a digital asset, experienced a significant surge in trading volume following its listing on Binance. This move not only increased Boom's liquidity but also increased its visibility and credibility in the crypto community. The listing was met with enthusiasm from both retail and institutional investors, who view such listings as a sign of maturity and acceptance. The surge in Boom's price is a testament to the confidence in Binance's selection process. As Boom faces new opportunities and challenges, analysts suggest maintaining initial momentum is crucial for its sustained growth. Factors such as technological developments, market trends, and regulatory changes will play significant roles in shaping its future. Boom's management team has outlined strategic initiatives to leverage their new platform, including enhancements to their blockchain infrastructure, increased marketing efforts, and partnerships with other financial technology companies.